Natural remedies for dry cough. Dry cough, try licorice root tea. Please like, share and subscribe. Licorice is a traditional treatment for cough, though studies have shown mixed results as to whether it works. Tastes great though, so why not give it a go? Natural health remedies are having a serious moment on the wellness scene right now. Whether it's oil pulling to cure a myriad of concerns, or applying apple cider vinegar to your skin to clear up acne, your grocery store can be a pretty effective place to find health fixes. Please like, share and subscribe.